Okay, next we have dynamically loading FeatureWorks. FeatureWorks is a tool in SOLIDWORKS that could potentially repopulate the feature tree of a part that's been imported from a non or file neutral CAD system. So a Parasolid, a step file, an IGES file, perhaps. So here we have an imported model. And as we can see in the tree, what you get is that imported solid. However, my task may be that I want to change the size of the fillet and maybe alter the size of the hole at the front. Now the FeatureWorks tool itself would attempt to repopulate the entire feature tree, all bosses, fillets, chamfers, etc. However, I only need to do two things. So the dynamically loading of the FeatureWorks tool can be done by actually selecting the geometry in the graphical window itself. So I'm going to select the fillet face, ask it to edit the feature, despite the fact that there's no feature in the tree itself. And SOLIDWORKS will load in the FeatureWorks tool in the background and recognize that as a fillet itself. So again, now we've got in the tree, I can actually edit the feature, change it to 8mm, and confirm. So let's show that again. I want to change the size of the hole. So I click on the face, I ask SOLIDWORKS to edit the feature. So it loads FeatureWorks and attempts to re-recognize the tool itself. And again, to come up with a whole feature. So again, I can edit that feature again and change the size to 22 and confirm. So despite the fact that that came as an imported or dumb solid, I've been able to make the design changes to it.